Hello everyone, welcome in 5th standard, my dear students. On that day we had started our lesson that name is the chocolate room. That lesson written by Roald Dahl. Okay, and in that lesson we had seen that there are some boys and they enter in a chocolate room. Actually or basically they were visit at chocolate factory, and that times there was one person that name was William Wenka. Okay, William Wenka, and he said that let me tell you or let me show you one thing that, and at times all childrens they observe that room, or we can say that they enter in that room, है ना, उस room में enter हो गए. But when they enter in that room, so that time they were surprised. They were surprised. Why? Because when they enter in that room, so that time they saw this like pictures in that room. Okay, there are some hills, and between that hills there is a river of that chocolate. Actually that river, they said that that river is in a brown color. Okay, it means that this river, okay, यहाँ तक हमने देखा था. As well as right now just see what is more, there was a tremendous waterfall halfway along the river, a steep cliff over which the water curled and rolled in a solid sheet, and then went crushing down into a boiling, churning whirlpool of froth and spray below the waterfall. And this was the most astonishing sight of all. Okay, when they enter in that sight, so that time that all childrens create image about that situation, so it was astonishing sight of all. Whole mass of enormous glass pipes were dangling down into the river from somewhere high up in the ceiling. They really were enormous, those pipes. There must have been a dozen of them at least, and they were sucking up the brownish muddy water from the river. Okay, when that river was flowing, so that times our children said that near about that river, उस river के पास क्या थे, पाइप थे. Okay, and definitely they are sucking, उसको खींच रहे थे. उस river में का जो भी muddy area है, या फिर muddy means for that already our author said that that is chocolate river, तो उसको chocolate को क्या कर रहे थे, खींच रहे थे. Now again he said, and they were sucking up the brownish muddy water from the river and carrying it away, goodness knows where means for that unknown place, or definitely that pipes will be sucked, sucking that muddy rivers. Okay, and definitely that will carry also somewhere, but that is unknown place, है ना. वो जो कुछ भी उसने सक किया है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो वहाँ से खींच रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं तो जाकर रख दे रहे हैं. इट इज़ अननोन प्लेस. उसके लिए वर्ड्स क्या यूज़ किया यहाँ पे, गुडनेस नोज वेयर. नाउ एंड बिकॉज दे वेयर मेड ऑफ ग्लास, you could see the liquid flowing and bubbling along inside them, and above the noise of the waterfall you could hear the never ending sucking sound of the pipes as they did their work. Okay, definitely when you just observe that, so that times that all pipes were sucking that muddy, or we can call it the chocolates. Okay, वो खींच रहे थे. and when they were working, so that time there was one noise, वहाँ पे कुछ noise था, आवाज़ था, उसे खींचने का आवाज़ था totally. Then graceful trees and bushes were growing along the river bank. Okay, weeping willows and elders and tall clumps of rhododendrons. Okay, just see. Again he just described about that situation. That situation is that near about that river there were some trees, plants, bushes, as etc. So how they are or how they were. Okay, छोटे बड़े सभी थे, है ना, Then clumps मतलब क्या, वहाँ के आजू बाजू में क्या थे, just like clumps, what can we say that, just like a soil's portions of particles. Okay, now with their pink and red and mauve blossom. In the meadows, there were thousands of buttercups. Okay, now he just say that near about that place there was thousands of buttercups also. Now there, cried Mr. Wonka, dancing up and down and pointing his gold-topped cane. Gold-topped cane means what that? That meaning a stick with a round bulb of gold at one end. So when they were observed, so that times Mr. Wonka stopped at one place and he just pointed somewhere and he was dance and he said, there, cried Mr. Wonka, dancing up and down and pointing his gold-topped cane at the great brown river, it's it's all chocolate. Now Mr. Wonka said, look at here, it's all chocolate, ये सब के सब chocolate है. Now every drop of that river is hot, melted chocolate of the finest quality, the very finest quality. There's enough chocolate in there to fill every bathtub in the entire country. Okay, और यहाँ से सब कुछ मतलब whatever we had seen just before a moment, it was a process how to produce chocolate, है ना. But right now look at here, this is a chocolate now. अभी क्या है, ये सारे के सारे अभी चॉकलेट है. हाउ? बिकॉज दैट इज फिनिश चॉकलेट. अभी ये पूरे बनकर आ चुके हैं, और इतनी चॉकलेट पूरे कंट्री के लिए सफिशिएंट है. हु सेड? मिस्टर वोंका. नाउ and all the swimming pools as well. Isn't it terrific? And just look at my pipes. They suck up the chocolate and carry it away to all the other rooms in the factory where it is needed. Okay, right now you can see that, you can see my pipes. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, मतलब मिस्टर वोंका बता रहे हैं बच्चों को कि ये जो मेरे पाइप्स है, ये पाइप अभी क्या करते हैं, इस चॉकलेट को पूरा कैरी करते हैं, चॉकलेट रूम में कैरी करते हैं. किस लिए? चॉकलेट बनाने के लिए. देन gallons मतलब यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट फॉर लिक्विड. One British gallon is roughly 4.5 liters. Okay, 4.5 लीटर्स का एक उनका मेजरमेंट का एक क्या है, पाइप है या फिर एक माप है. Thousands of gallons an hour, my dear children. Thousands and thousands of gallons. The children and their parents were to flabbergasted to speak. Flabbergasted to speak means what that? To flabbergasted to speak means to surprise that they could not speak. Okay, it means that whenever this situation will happen in front of you, when someone person imagine or when someone person describing in front of you just like a unwanted thing, so that times you are surprised, है ना. मतलब उस वक्त आप थोड़ा सरप्राइज हो जाते हो, बाप रे ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है आज एक्सेट्रा. सो दैट लाइक सेम सिचुएशन हैपेंड विद दैट चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आल्सो विथ फ्लैबरगेस्टेड. ओके, मतलब वो कुछ बोल ही नहीं पा रहे उसके बारे में. दे वर स्टैगर्ड, दे वर डम्फाउंडेड, दे वर bewildered and dazzled. Okay, they don't have a single words to talk about that things, to talk about that ideas. Okay, they were stuck. वो काफी स्तब्ध हो गए थे वहीं पे. Then they were completely bowled over by the ugliness of the whole things. They simply stood and stared. Okay, वो कुछ बोल ही नहीं पा रहे थे, वो चुपचाप खड़े थे और बस भावुक होकर सरप्राइज होकर वो देख रहे थे. भावुक होकर सरप्राइज होकर वो देख रहे थे और वो सुन रहे थे कि मिस्टर विली वोंका क्या क्या बता रहे हैं. देन द वाटरफॉल इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, मिस्टर वोंका वेंट ऑन. इट मिक्स द चॉकलेट, इट churns it up, it pounds it and beats it, it makes it light and frothy. Means what that? He just said that is river, or that Mr. Willy Wonka said that it mix chocolate, the churns in the ponds. Okay, अभी ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि चॉकलेट को और स्पॉन्ज को मिक्स करना होता है. मिक्स करने के बाद वो क्रंची होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, क्रंची होना चाहिए, कभी कभी चॉकलेटी मतलब एक फील होना चाहिए खाते वक्त, एक अच्छे से फील होना चाहिए. देन नो अदर फैक्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड मिक्सेस इनटू चॉकलेट बाय वाटरफॉल. ओके, अभी ऐसी कोई दूसरी फैक्ट्री है नहीं जो चॉकलेट में क्या करती है, वाटरफॉल के जरिए से मिक्सअप करती है, ऐसी कोई चॉकलेट की फैक्ट्री नहीं है देन, बट इट्स द ओनली वे टू डू इट प्रॉपरली, और ये सबसे पहला वे है. हेयर इज द फर्स्ट वे टू वी हैव टू डू इन अ प्रॉपरली, अगर ये हमें प्रॉपरली करे तो अच्छा है. नाउ, एंड डू यू लाइक माई ट्रीज, he cried, pointing with his stick, and my lovely bushes, don't you think they look pretty? And of course they are all eatable, all made of something different and delicious. Okay, after that he said that, do you like my trees, bushes, as well as another plants? Okay, of course that is or these are very good. Okay, that is eatable, है ना. Then, and these are very delicious. And you like my meadows, do you like my grass and my buttercups, the grass you are standing on. Okay, इसी के साथ साथ तुम्हें मेरी ग्रास अच्छी लगी, बटरकप्स अच्छे लगे. ग्रास मतलब कौन सी, जहाँ पर अभी आप खड़े हो, where you are stand on. Now, my dear little one is made of a new kind of soft minty sugar that I have just invented. I call it swag. Try a blade, please do. It's a delectable. Delectable मतलब very tasty and delicious. Right now Mr. Willy Wonka said that, right now I'm just invented a sugar. Okay, right now he just invented sugar. Okay, but that sugar is a minty sugar, and that's a very delicious. Or delectable. That's a very delectable. Automatically everybody bent down and picked one blade of grass. Everybody, that is expect Augustus Globe, who took a big handful. Okay, अभी वहाँ पे जो दो बच्चे थे, अगस्टस एंड ग्लोब ने क्या किया, he took और they took a handful, मतलब एक हाथ भर से, पूरे हाथ भर से उन्होंने ले लिया. then who took a big handful, and Violet Beauregard, before testing her blade of grass, took the pieces of world record-breaking chewing gum out of her mouth and stuck it carefully behind her ear. Isn't it wonderful? Whispered Charlie. Hasn't it got a wonderful taste, Grandpa? He just said that when he just take a test, so that time he just say, क्या ये सचमुच अच्छा नहीं है ना. ग्रैंडपा को उसने सवाल पूछा कि ये काफ़ी अच्छा है या फिर ये काफ़ी अच्छा नहीं है, etc. Hasn't it got a wonderful taste, Grandpa? I could eat the whole field, said Grandpa Joe, grinning with delight. I could go around on all fours like a cow and eat every blade of grass in the field. Try a buttercups, carried a Mr. Wonka. There are even nicer. Suddenly the air was filled with the screams of excitement. The screams came from Veruca Salt. She was pointing frantically to the other side of the river. Okay, that time she just said that, right now you have to test a water, sorry, not a water. Right now you have to just test a buttercup. Okay, buttercup. Now they were ready for that buttercup. Look over there, she screamed. What is it? He is moving, he walking. It's a little person, it's a little man down there below the waterfall. Everybody stopped picking buttercups and stared across the river. She is right, Grandpa, cried Charlie. It is a little man. Can you see him? Right now, when they were just testing, so at that time there was air blowing, and that air blowing, so all persons' concentration were disturbed. Okay, and they looked at someone where or at someone place. So that time they observed that there is one person. That is a little man. He was walking, he was dancing. So that time they all said, look at there, look, there is someone. Okay, and finally they got result that there is one person. Oh, there is one person or little man. Now, I see him, Charlie, said Grandpa Joe excitedly. And now everybody started shouting at once. There's two of them. My gosh, so there is. There's more than two. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, means what that? Right now they said that yes, I just saw him. Okay, and right now दे आर मेकिंग नंबर ऑफ पर्सन. ओके, अभी वहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ पर्सन में बढ़ते जा रहे थे. सो एज दैट टाइम्स दे वेर ऑल एक्साइटेड एंड दे डायरेक्टली सेड दैट यस वी जस्ट सॉ इट, है ना, वी जस्ट सॉ इट, हमने उसे देखा है और ये बढ़ते जा रहा है. सो एज लाइक we just completed our lesson. Right now just remember, in this lesson we are just study about that here is one chocolate factory, there are some children, there is one person, that name is William Wonka, and that all children enter in that chocolate factory. So that times they visit in that chocolate factory, as well as Mr. William Wonka describe or explain about his all chocolate factories. Okay, just like information where it produce, how it produced, as etc. Okay, so this was situation happened in this lesson. ये इस lesson में था. ठीक है. Right now I am sure that you just understood this lesson. Till then, see you, bye.